Here's some of them house logs. It don't take a whole lot of house logs to build a small cabin. He don't build great big houses. But I've still got to cut him some more. We're waiting for the logs to come in. We'll deliver these. Here we go. It's one of them houses that we cut out. I guess I cut the lumber for this building here too. Hard to believe something that pretty can come out of old rough sawmill lumber, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
That is a nice house.
Yeah, look, you see the inside.
All them boards and everything come out of our mill. Look how close he notches there. That's a sign of a craftsman. Now the floor of the porch and the banisters is salt treatment. Now all this comes from our mill. Every bit of it. Well, just look at that. That is a nice house. My soul.
All the trim, we planed it and made all the trim from your sawmill.
Yeah. And all these beams come from the sawmill.
All the beams, and then the white oak beam over here. Remember, you cut it out for me.
Yeah. Cut this white oak beam out. It checked a little bit. God, that's a big old beam.
Yeah, that was heavy.
Yeah.
That was heavy.
Now you build your cabinets and all, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, I used your lumber to make the facing.
Mm-hmm. Gosh, this looks good. I mean, this looks really good. You'd be hard pressed to find one any better built than this.
It's pretty stout. It ain't gonna fall down, that's for sure.
That's pretty.
My goodness.
This
Hey.
is master bedroom.
These floors looks wet. He's got such finish on them. Just look at that. My goodness. Look at that.
This is the master bath.
My soul.
Master closet.
This tiny little closet.
It's amazing what them logs you just dumped out turned out to be, and
It is. It's amazing what a good carpenter can do with them. My goodness.
I like the trim on the doors. I like the windows.
Yeah.
I like doing that.
Look at this window, how he's trimmed that thing out. Let me back up a little bit to where you can see it. I mean, this video ain't doing this house justice. It really ain't.
The thing I hate the worst, you put ductwork in, you gotta be able to chase it and cut them off.
Yeah.
That's what that is for the ductwork.
Now what?
Heating ducts.
Heating ducts, yeah. Gotta have them though.
Yep.
My goodness. You hang a picture on that and never know it is there. Look at that door framed out, you know. And this one slides back in itself. That's pretty cool. Look at these steps. Now this lumber didn't come from my sawmill, did it?
No,
No.
no, all the trim did in the posts.
Yeah.
All the posts did.
Boy, this is pretty. Ain't this pretty? Look up here at this. Ain't this cozy? My young'uns would have died for a room like this. Look at that. That dormer. Just a beautiful house. That's all you can say about it. Another big old closet. I like the way you laid these closets out. For most houses, you never got enough closet
Well,
room.
they used to, didn't put them in, but the boss, over the years, she's got her way. So
Yeah, well,
there's a lot of storage now.
you basically build a house for a woman,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, 'cause man just needs a place to watch TV.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be happy in a tin can.
Yeah, a table to eat at and a TV. That's it.
Boy. What do you think of this, Mother?
I like it. It's pretty.
See, if you'd married a rich man, you could have had something like this.
Oh, well, maybe next time.
Instead of a poor old sawmiller that just saws it out.
Well, this is the first one we put a half bath under the stairs.
Is it?
That's neat.
Yeah.
Look at that. I mean, that's just perfect, boy.
Well, you'd have had to walk all the way back into the master bedroom and through it to
Yeah,
the bathroom if you had company. And,
that keeps company out of your bathroom too, you know.
yeah.
For again, you go into woman, they like to keep their space to them. Yeah. Boy, I love the finish you put on this floor.
Yeah. That's full coats. Aaron sanded them all. And then we buffed them, and then we put full coats with a coat buffed in between each coat.
My goodness.
But the more coats you put, the more it shines.
Yeah, boy. I had an old house in high school that the floors was black in. And we sanded it and done it. And I like floors like this, got some figure in them. I don't like for it to look just like one big chunk of wood. Well, boy, this is a nice one, I know that. Other than the one you live in, this is about the nicest one you've built, ain't it?
You see the streaks in that oak beam?
Yeah.
You know where that comes from?
Uh-uh.
We just planed that and put it up. So it started raining.
Oh.
We had a shelter we just kind of got under. Now the beam was clean.
Yeah.
Those streaks come from something and the rain that just run down, I guess it acid rain. And you could see the black marks running down. These logs I have to clean and scrub them when we get through because of the rain.
Yeah. It must be something to that, you know, that acid and stuff. For it, I've noticed it at the sawmill. You know. Boy, just look at them cabinets. I mean, that's just plain old pine wood. There ain't nothing fancy about that at all.
That's real wood.
Yes, sir. And you couldn't go by a set of cabinets made no better than them. Can't get over his joints. That's what impressed me. For I'll tell you, if you've ever tried to join house logs together, that right there ain't easy.
You don't build a log house and it not square.
No.
The joint, the corners won't fit.
You know, I ain't never built nothing square. That's why I ain't never built one. Boy, look at the character of that and that there.
Yeah, I like the notch.
Yeah.
You know, that's like a floor. People want that #1, but it don't look real.
Yeah. My neighbor built his house and I cut the floor out for him. And it's clear white oak.
Yeah.
And it looks like a rug. It don't even look, it looks fake.
I wish I'd have got some more #3 chestnut oak and put in this and got
Yeah.
more color in it.
Boy, I'll tell you, you'd have to try hard to get one to look any better than this. And I like the sheetrock in it for it breaks it up a little bit.
Yeah, well, lightens it up.
For these houses, it's just pure wood. It's
Yeah.
like living in a box,
Yeah.
you know.
Oh, I like that. That's so pretty.
Now I believe this in here will let me film him just a little bit. Say something.
Something.
Now, that boy can talk. He's got a good voice on him.
Yeah.
He's a little bashful. And his daddy says he'll kill me if I film him, so we ain't gonna try that.
Well, that's pretty.
That is.
I believe you got your back on it too.
Oh, you right in the back. That's my most,
side.
that's my best side in the back. Yeah.
I like that, don't you, Mother?
Yes, I do. That's pretty.
That's as nice a house as I've ever set foot in.
Now the others, instead of this floor, we've got cathedral ceiling.
Yeah.
And then when you walk upstairs, you're looking down and you're looking up at all the,
Yeah, all the
I
stuff.
like that look too. It's nice.
I like it better.
We went to a big wedding here the other day, and that house, thousands of square feet, and I swear to live in, I'd rather have this than that here.
Oh,
You know.
yeah. We rent these, but now it's hard that first time you let somebody come in and move in. And,
It's like somebody babysitting you young, and ain't it?
yeah, it's, you get attached to them, you spend so much time working on them, you get attached to a house you're building.
How many houses have I cut out for you?
I was thinking earlier, I'd like to have $1 for every log you brought me each time.
I'd say it's 8 or 10. You know.
More than that, we got
Is-
that many down there on.
One,
go.
let me think. 1, 2, 3,
Not including ours.
12 or 14.
12 or 14.
I think ain't that.
Yeah, that lumber on that barn come to you.
That barn across the road there was yours.
Yeah, yeah,
You saw that lumber over there.
yeah. Well, I'm gonna shut this thing off.